A lot of people are using these face creams, but the real question is, can you actually use them on your face? Because what works for someone else can damage your own skin if you aren't careful. So in this video, I'm going to break down who can use these face creams, who should avoid them, and what you need to know before you apply it on your face. And please don't skip this video, don't pause, because this can save your skin, this can save someone else, this can save your face. Now, these are some of the common face creams people use. We have here the Carotone, the B.S.C Carotone. A lot of you guys have used this and still using it. And this is the Dodo Skin Gold. Multiple people are currently using this. And we have here the BB Clear face cream. This is for dark spots remover as well. Then we also have the Oliv'era Black Spot Corrector. A lot of you guys have used this, especially dark skin and caramel skin. Yes, so we also have the Almighty White Secret. Yes, a lot of you guys are using this. Now, let me explain this clearly. Not every face cream is for your skin type. Remember, skin differs. If your skin reacts easily, you need to be very careful before you use any of these face creams. And if you already have acne or dry skin, using the wrong one can actually worsen it. So, who can use them? Who can use this face cream? Remember, these face creams here contain strong chemical-based ingredients. Some contain hydroquinone, some contain other ingredients that can seriously harm your face. Yes, so this face cream, if your skin is sensitive or you have had reactions before, or you are dealing with breakouts, irritations, or damaged skin, you need to be very careful. Even avoid applying them on your face. Yes, always test this product before using it carefully. Don't just follow what someone else uses or everyone is using. Your skin is different. Your skin type differs. If your skin is not sensitive and can tolerate active ingredients of some of these products, then these products can work for you. Now, how can you use these face creams if you are on a low budget? If you're on a low budget, you can use this face cream the proper way. The best way to use this face cream is at night. Whichever one you get, all work the same, all clear dark spots, all brightens the skin. But the best way to use it is only at night. You can apply it at night, then you can as well apply your moisturizer. Then during the day, that is in the morning, you don't use it. Yes, only use your moisturizer, only use your sunscreen. Yes, then at night, just use this. And also use this product with a mild soap. You can use it with a Dove soap, you can use it with a moisturizing soap. Yes, use it with a moisturizing soap, because these face creams here whitens the face, brightens the face very well, and using it with a good moisturizing soap will help to calm your face and work properly on your face. Yes, so I don't know if you have used any of this cream before. White Secret, Carotone, BB Clear, Oliv'era, Dodo Skin too. We have a lot of these type of face cream in the market. So it depends on how do your skin react to it. You can comment in the comment section. I really want to know how it reacted, how it works on your skin. And please don't forget to like this video, share for more honest skincare advice. See you in my next video. Bye.